Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing a grunge me video. I hope you guys are living for the way this looks. I just want to make clear to you guys what I see as grunge because I know most people don't see it as the same thing. Anything to do with rock music, extremely dark colors, and smoky looks makes me think of grunge. Also, I do want to mention that I am wearing colored contacts in this video just because I wanted to contrast the darkness with something because I'm not really used to doing the whole dark look. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Now let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, guys? So today we're doing New Year Grunger Me or Grunge Me, whatever I named this video. For the grunge tutorial, we are going to be using my Morphe 15 in palette. It's been a little bit since I've used this palette. Here we go, We're going to be sticking closer to the bottom shades here. We are going to be using a little bit of these in our tutorial today. I am going to be using the Baby Skin Maybelline primer. Slap on some primer real quick. Real quickly, you guys know the drill. We're going to go ahead and do our eyebrows. So as always, I'm going to be using the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. I've curtained my bangs out of the way for you guys so you guys could see. I'm going to be taking the Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows. I am going to take the 15 in palette into the shade Hello. It's right here, and I'm going to go right on my eyelid with it. Now that I have Hello put down, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Va Va Voom over here. Now I'm going to use the color Scene. It is a very, very dark purple, and I'm going to go right over where I put Hello. I'm going to blend it right back out. Brush, I'm going to take the shade Illustrated with a little bit of Excuse Me and go right over the center part of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the makeup real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put some baking powder down. I'm also going to be using the Makeup Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. That sets in place, I'm going to dip into my contour palette and I'm going to take the second to darkest shade, powdering up my contour lines with it. Using the You Glow Girl J Cat's Beauty highlighter. It's in the shade Crystal Sand. As a little really goes a long way with this stuff. I cannot emphasize that enough. It's very, very pigmented. See? So now I'm going to take my Anastasia blush kit and I'm going to be taking the darker shade for blush today. I'm going to dip back into the shade Hello, and I'm going to go on my bottom lash line with it. My cousin actually brought and left her gel liner by LA Girl here. I'm going to go on the out thirds of my eye as well as the inner thirds without touching my inner corner, and I'm going to also outline my under eye with it. I'm going to take that same packing brush and dip back into Scene and try to smudge out the liner. And now I'm going to go back and blend it out. Now I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner and just do regular liner. Now I'm going to apply my lashes by Kiss. They are the Sultry Lashes by Kiss. Let's add a little bit of mascara to our top and bottom lashes. lips today, I'm going to be using the shade Vancouver from NYX, and this is a soft matte lip cream. I'm gonna go over top of Vancouver with the shade Teddy. What do you guys think of this look? It's very, very dark for me. It's not something I would normally do. Quickly, I do want to mention that the colored contacts that I have in right now, I am making a video over them so you guys can see what colors I have, where I got them from, and I'm going to kind of be telling you a little bit about how long they took to get to where I live and all of that, how much I paid for them and all of that stuff. This video actually is supposed to be posted in January, but I am going to be running a little bit behind. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. You get a little bit inspired. If you did, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up. You hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.